Hi friends, how are you all?
We all are fine.
Today we all are gathered here to playing a debate. So today we got very interesting topic, money versus relationship. And today we have two teams. A team is from
Relationship.
and B team is from
Money.
My point of view is that at the time of pandemic, most of the richest person also realize that money is not everything for them. Okay, why? Because with the help of money, they are also unable to save their relatives, and they also realize that money is not everything for that. That's why our relationship is always better than money.
But brother, if you saw in Corona pandemic, on that time money is important because of if you will give money to doctors, no, then they will do operation. Without money, they can't do operation.
But at the time of pandemic, that example of Sara Hospital, which is located in front of Mosam Bridge. Okay, in that hospital, government create lots of things to poorest people. Okay, and that time government also provide eggs, banana, and every facility free of charge. That's why that suppose if you have good relationship with the government, and government will give you lots of things free of charge. No matter there is no any matter of money also.
But brother, you told that government hospital to fulfill the form they require money, and if you saw, you told that all types of facilities are there. For fulfill the all type of facilities, they require money. Without money, how you can will provide all type of facilities?
Yes, brother, he is right. If we give extra money to the doctor, he can provide us extra facilities like luxurious bed, AC ward, and etc.
But brother, suppose our very close relative is a doctor, then definitely they will provide us lots of facilities in free of cost. Last year the incident was happened with me. I was admitted in hospital and my family didn't have money to fulfill the bill of hospital. My cousin brother is a doctor in that hospital. Because of only him, I got so many facilities in free of cost. So I think relationships are much more better than money.
But sister, relationship means relationship with relationship poverty comes. According to me, when relative people borrow money from us, then they never give us back, and we can't ask to them.
But brother, to whom you share your secrets, money or relatives? And suppose if a function is there, and to who come, relatives or money?
Sister, you are absolutely right. But what about education? For getting success, we require money. We not require relationship.
But brother, on the road of success, always said we, not a me. And lots of people think that we alone can achieve things, but it's definitely wrong. We alone can't achieve things. And when we will preparation to competitive exam, that time we always need support. And suppose when we will not success in our future, that time our family members, relatives always support us and always provide us money. That's why according to me, relationship is better than money.
Yeah, I agree with you, Nikita. At the time of preparation, we require the support, and because every time every inspirant feel depressed, that's why we require support. I have seen many successful persons' stories. In that, their family members, friends, and mentors always support them. If you have a good relationship for anyone, that time they always provide you financial funds. So relationship is always better than money.
Suppose sister, if you want to build anything and or maybe become anything, that time you always required money, not a relationship. Last year one incident happened with one person. He want create his own business. He went to his relatives. He tell them, can you give me money for create on my business? They directly tell them, we don't have money. And he few years after few years he create his business because of his effort.
But so friends, we understand that which is better? Both are better in our life. If we have money, we don't have relationship, we will not success. If we have money, if we have both, then we will absolutely success in our life.
As we know that every coin have two sides. That's like in our day-to-day life. Every day we require a relationship also and money also. That's why both are better for us. Thanks for being with us.